Hi students, this is Vokumar, 10th Standard Mathematics, Chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.12. Now, problem number 8. Read the question. There is a square field whose side is 10 meter. A square flower bed is prepared in its center, leaving a gravel path all around the flower bed. The cost of laying the flower bed and the graveling the path at rupees 3 and rupees 4 per square meter respectively. Find the is 364 rupees. That's the total cost of 364. Find the width of the gravel path. Okay. Square field ABCD is a square field whose side length is 10 meters. 10 meters, 10 meters, 10 meters, 10 because it is a square, all sides are equal. Inside the square field, there is a flower bed that is also in the shape of a square. I consider PQRS is a flower bed. Since it is a square, I consider the side length is x meter, x meter, x meter, x meter, x meter. I have written here. Let ABCD be a square field of side 10 meter. It is given. Let PQRS be a flower bed which is inside the square field and its side length be x meters. Okay. Now, cost of laying the flower bed equals rupees 3 per meter square. For 1 meter square, 3 rupees. It is given. Then cost of graveling the path, the shaded region only. That is equal to 4 rupees per meter square. For 1 meter square, what's the cost? 4 rupees. It is also given the total cost of laying the flower bed and the graveling the path, total cost 364 rupees. You are asked to find the width of the gravel path. Width. I consider this a width, remember width I consider as y meters. Y, it is also width. Y meter, y meter, y meter. You have to find out the value of y. How to find? First, I find the area of the flower bed because meter square is given. For meter square, no, this is a unit for area. First, you have to calculate the area. Area of the flower bed, that is equal to area of the side, area of the square, that side into side, x into x squared. Like that, area of the square field equals, area of the gravel path equals the shaded region. First, you have to calculate the area of the bigger square, then area of the smaller square, both to be subtracted, then only can get the shaded region area. Correct? Area of the bigger square ABCD, the entire area minus area of the square PQRS for getting the area of the shaded region. Shaded region is the gravel path. I do it now. First, we can find the area of the flower bed. Area of the flower bed equals x into x, side into side, that is x into x, that is equal to x squared meter square. X meter into x meter, x squared meter square. Therefore, total cost of laying the flower bed equals, for 1 meter square 3 rupees is given. How many meter square? X square meter square. Therefore, rupees 3x squared. 3 into x square, 3x square. Now, area of the gravel path that is a shaded region. For finding the shaded region area, first you have to find out the outer square. Outer square, that is ABCD. Area of the square ABCD minus area of the square PQRS. Area of the outer square minus area of the inner square. Outer square is ABCD, inner square is PQRS. Correct? Outer square is ABCD, inner square is PQRS. If we subtract, you will be getting that shaded region area. Area of the square ABCD, that side length is 10. So 10 into 10. 10 into 10. Then inner x into x, inner square, minus x into x. That is equal to 100 minus x square. This is into, otherwise I write x and x inside the brackets. Will be getting confused over there. X into x, here 10 into 10. 10 into 10, 100, x into x, x square. Now, the total cost of graveling the path equals, for 1 meter square for graveling the path equals 4 rupees given. Therefore, rupees 4 into, what is the total area? 100 minus x square. Total cost is given. What is the total cost of laying the flower bed and the graveling the path equals 364. I consider as 1. Equation number 1. Therefore, equation 1 implies both the total cost to be added. So 3x squared, this is for laying the flower bed, and 4 into 100 minus x square, this is for graveling the path. Together 364. Correct? 364. We have to simplify now. Listen. 3x squared plus 4 into 100, 400 minus 4 into x squared, 4x squared, that is equal to 364. 3x squared minus 4x squared, that is equal to minus x squared, equals 364. It comes right hand side, minus 400 minus x squared, that is equal to 364 minus 400 minus 36, which implies minus minus get cancelled, x squared equals 36. For getting x, definitely have to take the square root. Taking square root on both sides, square root of x squared equals square root of x squared, that is equal to square root of 36. Since square is there, I have to introduce plus or minus. Square and square root get cancelled, x equals plus or minus square root of 36 is 6. 36 is a perfect square number. 36 square root is 6. So we have x equal to 6 or x that is equal to minus 6. X is the distance. Distance cannot be negative. Therefore, this is not possible. Now, I got the value of x only. Here in this problem, x refers side of the flower bed. But you are asked to find out the width of the square field, gravel path, width of the gravel path. How to find? Okay, from the diagram, listen, from here to here, what's the distance? From here to here, this is y, this one is 10, correct? X, y plus x plus y. Again I tell you, y plus x, from here to here, x plus y. Y plus x plus y, that is equal to, what is the total length? 10. So I write from diagram, y plus x plus y, that is equal to 10 meters. Here y represents width of the gravel path, which implies y plus y, that is equal to 2y plus x value is 6, that is equal to 10, which implies 2y, that is equal to 10, plus x comes right hand side minus 6, plus 6 comes right hand side minus 6, 2y, that is equal to 10 minus 6 is 4. Therefore, y equals 4 divided by 2, y, that is equal to 2 meters. Therefore, the width of the final result, width of the gravel path, that is y, equals 2 meters. So problem number 8 is completed. I'll be teaching the next problem, that is problem number 9, in the next video. Thank you, children.